Saturday, December 6, 2025. Our devotional is God Still Leads, Part 2. In Proverbs 3 verse 6, in all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy path. Yesterday, we left Ellen White with her impossible dreams of acquiring several properties in Southern California. And it was an excellent time to buy such properties. Late in the 19th century, others had built many beautiful sanitariums in the area. But then came prolonged droughts. Without water, the institution began to shut down. Those closings presented an opening for the Adventists. But even a good bargain isn't of much help to those without money. Well, they did manage to dig up some. The first property purchased for the church was San Fernando College, obtained for $10,000 in 1902, less than one-fourth of its original cost. The second was an inactive sanitarium in Paradise Valley near San Diego, consisting of a 3-story building on 20 acres of land. Its developers had spent much money on the property, but hard times had come and the building had remained unoccupied for more than 10 years. Then, when Ellen White first visited Paradise Valley, she was convinced that the Adventists would purchase it. The main building had cost $25,000, but now its owners offered the entire property for $12,000. But where could a local Adventist get the money? They couldn't look to the General Conference. And the Southern California Conference, with its 1,100 members, was $40,000 in debt and had recently purchased the San Fernando property. Those amounts of money look small today, but for those times, they were huge. No way could the conference raise $12,000. Even when the price dropped to $8,000, then to $6,000, it still seems hopeless. But when it went to $4,000, Mrs. White personally borrowed $2,000 from the bank at 8% interest, got a close friend to put up $2,000, and telegraphed to buy the property. The first step had been taken toward establishing the Church Southern California Medical Program. That first step, of course, was the easy one. And just how God will lead His church? The short answer is by guiding individuals to see His vision of what can be done. He opens the doors. It is up to us to walk through them. This is taken from the book Lest We Forget by George Knight, page 359.